Welcome to Mobile Home Agents, where hard work, dedication, and commitment to customer satisfaction make us your neighborhood specialist. We are an expert builder and installer of single stories and two-story manufactured homes. We can pull out the old home and build custom new homes, even with rooftop ocean view decks. We build each home to customer specifications. Everything from the brick skirting choices to the color of the paint and the interior selections like barn doors, laminate floors, quartz countertops, and tile showers. Our homes sell for upwards of $300,000 in all areas throughout Orange County, LA County, San Bernardino, and Riverside. We build custom garages as well. Our Fleetwood homes are engineered with rooftop decks as specified by the HUD Code of California and the federal government. Some of these homes, we pulled out the older home and installed a brand new home and sold it on the market ourselves as Mobile Home Agents dealer. We handle the entire process from pull out to installation and listing the home on the market. Some of our homes were custom built and ordered for our clients throughout the area, like this home, Cabco home at Western Hills Estates. We have a complete team of mobile home sales agents to handle your used home sales as well. Part of our company, we are a general contractor who also does complete mobile and manufactured home inspections, repairs, and remodels. You can see here our team setting up new homes, deck homes, two stories, and relocating the utilities. These are just a few of our photos from our health and safety inspections that we provide on used home sales. And this is some of the carpentry work that we provided for fire victims in Sylmar and insurance work. We do complete room additions, access ramps, and kitchen and bathroom remodels. We also do replums, new custom concrete and brick steps, kitchen cabinetry, backsplashes, and more. Welcome to our company, Mobile Home Agents.